Welcome back. So, in this tutorial, we're going to be covering creating existing ground surface using triangles. So, in terms of earthworks, civil 3D projects, basically, you're always going to get existing ground surfaces. You can get it in different formats: XML, CSV, JSON, maybe. Um, Sometimes you can get it in DWG. So you have to figure out different ways of creating existing surfaces using different sets of data sets that you get. So in this instance, we got triangles which come in a form of like DWG, and then we're gonna create a surface from that. Okay, so I'm on Civil 3D. We're gonna go to open, and then I'm just gonna open up the Civil 3D triangle file that we are going to use, which is this one. Open. So it's gonna come like this, and basically we're gonna have to create a surface from this based on these triangles. So these um, contain the XYZ information. So if you select one and then right click and go to properties, it's going to show you the vertex X, Y, and Z information. So it's not just polylines or 2D lines. This is very much a data driven 3D lines. So 3D faces. So I'm just going to exit, and the first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna go under our prospector, right click on surfaces and say create surface. So I'm just gonna leave it as a thin surface, and then I'm just gonna name this existing surface. And obviously you can apply some materials, the style that you want based on the template that you are going to use. So I'm gonna say okay, and then you're gonna drop down your surface, drop down again under definition, you're gonna drop down, and then in order for you to create your surface based on 3D faces, we're gonna use drawing objects, and then you're gonna right click and say add. So in this feature, we have different options under object type, which is the points, lines, blocks, text, 3D faces, polyfaces. And in this instance, you guessed right, we're going to use 3D faces. And then I'm just going to leave this maintain edges from objects, and then I'm going to say okay. So it's going to allow you to select the entire site that you want, or the components that you want. So I'm going to select the entire thing, and then press enter. Obviously it's going to interpolate, and then it's going to create a surface based on the information that you have. So I'm just using a basic Civil 3D template. As you can see, it only shows the boundaries, but what I want to show you guys is, I'm just going to exit. Let's say you are using the standards or the template from your company. So I'm going to open up a new template, uh, an empty one from Civil 3D. I'm just going to say new. And let's say you want to incorporate your company standards into this empty template. We're gonna go under what is it? Manage. Yeah, manage. And then under styles, you're gonna say import. So you're gonna import your standards. So in this instance, I'm using one of this South African template, which is from Divotech. I'm gonna load it in, and it comes with a so the format is DWT. So I'm gonna say open. And then in this instance, it's going to configure everything, and then it's going to import the styles based on the Divotech template. So you're going to say okay, and then it says you're about to import styles from another drawing. Duplicate styles may be overwritten. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to say okay. And then it's going to verify your imported style and everything, and then it's going to import everything after that. So it says successfully imported 1,739 styles. 1239 settings, 1124 styles were imported as a result of being referenced. 0 stars were deleted. I'm gonna say okay, perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open up that triangle surface again. I'm gonna say open, and then next thing is I'm just gonna select all these triangle surfaces, these 3D surfaces, go to clipboard, copy, and then I'm gonna go back into my new workspace, right click and say clipboard, paste to original coordinates, and then I'm gonna say zoom and extend. All right, so we're gonna create another surface based on this. So let's go to surface, right click, create surface. I'm gonna rename this to existing, and then I'm gonna say okay. Drop down, drop down, drop down, go to drawing objects, right click and say add. Change this to 3D faces. I'm gonna say okay. And as you can see, it automatically configured this maintain edges from objects based on the template that we have. So I'm gonna say okay, select the entire thing, press enter, and this is what we have. So considering we have imported different standards as opposed to the Civil 3D ones, I'm gonna right click there, surface properties, and then I'm just gonna change this from boundary to contour color, 2 meter and 10 meter with border, apply, and then okay. So this is what we have. So obviously I can select this, select similar, and obviously you can hide it. Just type in hide objects, and then you can hide your triangles, and this is basically your surface. You can select it right in your workspace, right click and say surface properties, and then you can change it to different styles. So we can go with contour gray, 1 meter and 5 meter, apply okay, and this is what we have. It doesn't have a border. Or we can change this to triangles, triangles with contour, apply okay, and it's gonna show those triangles. Okay, so you can select your surface, right click, go to object viewer, and then you can view it on your object viewer. This is how it looks. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Very short and sweet, and I will see you on the next lesson. Peace.